Saturday morning. And we're starting it with cuddles. Hi. Happy cat. Oh, another cat. This one is Forrest. She came out of the forest. Say hi. And she, we've been taking care of her. She was skinny and neglected, and so we decided to help her out. She is just so sweet, such a happy kitty. Perfect name for a perfect kitty. Oh, it's okay. She had a collar, but she lost it in the forest. Yep. All right, it's Saturday afternoon. We're gonna go get the girl's friend who didn't get to stay last week because we got sick. So we're gonna go get her, and they are ready to have loads of fun, and hopefully they'll have a good time tonight. We're gonna make slime.
I tried Gatsy and Ratsy's coming for sleepover.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll have a good time tonight. We're gonna do slime, we're gonna do pizza, whatever else, yeah. Stuff.
Hot pizza.
Fun stuff. So, alright. Pizza. And the girls are playing a game back there.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge.
I'm gonna think about playing Would You Rather with Yadetsi.
Okay. So they're already plotting games, so we'll keep you posted on what happens. But this little girl has known my little girls since they were babies. So this is really cute. They've known each other almost all their whole lives. Yeah, so, all right, here we go. Mila's making her friend a snack. She's making what?
Peanut butter balls.
Peanut butter balls.
Oh, she guys for you to try it.
Yeah. The peanut butter balls have, obviously peanut butter, oats. Do you want me to open that? I'm sitting here watching you. I didn't even realize that you were struggling. Sorry, baby. Okay, there we go. Now we're open. So it's peanut butter, oats, hold on, sweetie, vanilla. We had a little bit of chocolate in there, but not much. And what else? We're missing something.
Vanilla.
Chia seeds.
Chia. Oh,
I forgot the chia. So anyways, you mix it together and you roll it up in a ball, and it's super yummy and healthy, and she's making it for her friend. It's healthy, but we ordered pizza for dinner. Well, somewhat healthy, but we ordered pizza for dinner because it's a kid's sleepover.
Doesn't really like oats, but she said she's gonna try it.
What do you want?
I want to go downstairs because I have my whole orange.
You want to eat your orange downstairs? Well, I think
I did eat my orange.
You ate all your orange? Okay, give me just a second and you can go, okay? Patience, my little one. Okay. So, yep, she wants to make those.
My friend doesn't really like oats, but she said she wants to try. Let's see what it tastes like.
Meanwhile, Chester's approving. Hi, buddy. Hello, everyone. Chester loves you.
He's a bubble like no one like That's pretty.
Chester. All right, we have Yadetsi here. We finally picked her up, and now we are making what?
Slime.
We picked her up an hour ago.
Slime. Oh, you're having a party, huh?
It's already becoming slime.
Let me see yours, Bubby.
Oh, that's so pretty. I would like to add
Look at mine.
Look at mines. Okay, that's good. So pretty. Let me see.
That was like frosting.
That's nice. All right, Bubby, you ready? Can you sprinkle it in?
It's like New Year's slime.
Come on.
Yes, right?
Oh, hers is so pretty.
It is pretty. Looks like frosting. Looks like a universe. Oh, almost. You're a man. We have a big bubble. Ah! Can we do it? Can you do it?
Here goes mine. Ready?
Another one. Oh. All right, so we made the slime. I'm cleaning up the mess on the table. There's like glue stuck to the table. You know, it's one of those things when you do slime, it's just, you roll with it. So I'm gonna clean it up and get the kids ready for maybe a movie or something. They're having so much fun. We had some pizza for dinner. It all went so quickly, I couldn't keep up with the little ones and the pizza and everything. So I didn't get to record very much, but that's what's going on. It was a very simple day. Just a very busy day because we had to pick up groceries and then we had to run to my mother-in-law's house and pick up some blueberry bread that she made us, and it's so delicious. She's so sweet for thinking of us. And so now we're getting ready for church tomorrow. And yep, you ready for bath? Yeah. Okay, I'm being paged for bath time. So anyways, we'll keep you posted. I think we might be able to catch a little bit more footage tonight, but I'm not sure. Okay, hold on, buddy, hold on. So I'll be back.
I'm hiding. Okay. I'm hiding. Hi guys. I'm hiding from my friend playing hide and seek. I'm going to this thing right here in the garage. Hold on, I'll be right back. You didn't see me. Hold on, I wanna go look. I'm gonna even throw it in. I'm peeking. Okay, she's not working. I was downstairs. Whoever is the seekers will come in my room and start like seeking for the players.
We're playing hide and go seek. She's gonna be the seeker, and we're gonna hide and walk behind her and see if she notices.
Okay. Oh wait, you already told me, so I know now.
Okay.
Okay, hide. You stay. So I guess you guys will go hide and find a spot, okay?
Okay. Come on, let's run. That's always bedtime. Go. That's always bedtime. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's bedtime now.
Pause.
I love this.
Downstairs. That sounds fun. I can't open
I see. Yep, I think you guys are cute.
what do we think?
Hi. Meanwhile, these little monkeys are eating bananas before bed.
There.
Okay.
Mushy. And they're stuck in the mud.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're stuck in glitter slime mud. Ew, it's a slime pit. All right, she wants to show me a bubble, and then I have got to get a laundry mess cleaned up on my floor that Noah decided to throw all over the place because I haven't finished the basket. And I've got to put some clothes in the dryer for tomorrow. And we have church in the morning. We gotta hurry.
Is your
Yep. Yeah, Betsy's gonna ride in our car. I have to wrap us up for bed and get us ready for church tomorrow. I've got to pick out your outfit, little lady, because
I want my flower yellow dress.
a flower yellow
dress.
That's a summer dress. You'll get really cold with that. So, hey, be careful. You're like on the edge of the seat there. Can you sit down? Here, let me help. Let me help you. You're making me nervous. Okay, so we're gonna get ready for bed. Is there anything you want to tell the world tonight? What do you want to tell the world tonight?
Slime monster's gonna throw slime everywhere in the house then.
The slime monster's gonna throw slime all over the house?
And cars and roads.
Oh, that's intense. What do you want to tell the world tonight? Do you want to say good night?
Good night.
Good night. Is there anything else you want to say?
Yes.
What?
And say good morning to Iris.
And you want to say good morning to Iris?
Yes.
So she'll see this in the morning? Well, she'll probably see it in the afternoon because you know what? We have church. We got to get ready. And I've got a few more things to do. So, ooh. Good night.
Bye-bye.